Hello there, happy spring. I just wanted to check in and address something that seems to be kind of front page news right now, and that is rising interest rates. So a couple months ago, we were in the twos, 2.75%, 2.85%. I even had a few clients get down to 2.5% for their mortgage interest rates, which is just, it's so low, it's crazy, it's not sustainable. So I've been seeing all these headlines and online news about interest rates being on the rise. And they did raise, and they raised fairly quickly or fairly in a short time frame. But that doesn't mean that's bad news for buyers or sellers yet. So the important thing to remember is that our average is still around 3.25% right now. I keep using the word historically low, but it is. It's crazy low. I believe the overall average interest rate in Florida just over time has been closer to 8-9%. So if we think of we're raising to a 3.25%, it's still a great thing. This is happening because I think people are, it's just, there's more confidence in the market right now, the housing market and the economy, that people feel like they're going back to work, that, unemployment rates are rising overall. I know here in Florida, Disney cast members are starting to get called back to work, which is huge for our local economy. Very happy for my fellow cast members. Vaccines are being distributed. So as all this kind of good news starts coming out, consumer confidence and just confidence in the market are going to grow. So what does this mean for buyers and sellers? In my opinion, it's still fantastic news for buyers. If you missed that window where the interest rates were 2.65, 2.75, that's okay. We haven't seen those in our lives, a lot of people, and we may never see them again in our lifetime. So you're still getting a deal, in my opinion, at 3.25%. I paid more than that for my first car interest rate. So I still think it's a great number for buyers. You do want to check with your lender though. If you were approved if you had that lower interest rate quote before, 2.75 or so, you might want to check in with your lender and just see if your buying power is the same. For example, if you could afford a $300,000 home at a 2.75 interest rate, possibly now you could afford a 275 or a 285, somewhere in that range. So it could affect your payment a bit, but not too drastically. For sellers, we're still predicting a strong spring season, especially in Florida. I mean, everybody's moving here. We have clients from, at least a dozen different states right now that are buying a home or a second home in Florida. So I don't see the demand for your homes slowing down over spring and summer. We're really gearing up for what seems to be a promising, strong season. After that, it's, a little bit anyone's guess, but again, these interest rates are going to indicate there's a lot more confidence about the economy. So I hope that helps. It's really not bad news that they have gone up. It's still good news all around for both buyers and sellers. So do you have any questions? Feel free to reach out. Take care.